Welcome back. Now, before we take a look at the day's business news, let's first take a look at the stock indices across the GCC. And in our top business story, Dubai saw a total of 41,767 property transactions, worth more than 154 billion dirhams last year. That's according to the latest report from the Dubai Land Department. These ranged from sales, mortgages, Ijara mortgage portfolios and deferred sales to other types of transactions. According to news agency WAM, commenting on the results, Sultan Buti bin Medren, the Director General of the Land Department, said that 2012 was a record year in terms of transactions, which increased by 8% compared to 2011, and that UAE nationals were the leading investors in terms of premium real estate deals. The transactions report showed that investors focused mainly on residential and commercial units, sale and mortgage transactions, which saw 31,145 deals worth 38 billion dirhams. Data also showed that there were 111 billion dirhams worth of plot transactions last year, while transactions on villas reached 5 billion dirhams. Al Thania 5 dominated the areas in terms of sales, with 590 transactions worth 2 billion dirhams. Dubai Marina and the Burj Khalifa were the most traded areas, seeing in 10,554 transactions from various types, worth 17 billion dirhams. Etihad Airways is set to increase its capacity on its Dublin flights, deploying a Boeing 777-300ER on the route from the 2nd of July 2013. According to news agency WAM, B777-300ER will operate on the 6 EY045 flights out of Abu Dhabi each week, increasing capacity on the route by 34%. The increase will provide an additional 900 seats each week compared to the current schedule. An Airbus A330-200 will continue to operate on the 4 remaining EY041 flights, and Etihad Airways carried more than 215,000 passengers between Abu Dhabi and Dublin in 2012, with the route once again in the airline's top 10 most popular. There is increasing competition between regional, domestic and global cash management providers, and developed market banks face increasing competition from regional players in Asia and the Middle East, as according to the latest report. This comes off the back of Global Finance magazine's ranking of the world's best treasury and cash management providers, where winners were selected across 4 categories, including payments and collections, liquidity and risk management, as well as money market funds. Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank won the title of Best Bank for Payments and Collections for the region, while HSBC was the Middle Eastern regional winner for Best Overall Bank for Cash Management, as well as Best Bank for Risk Management. Standard Chartered won the Best Bank for Liquidity Management in the region, and the Best Overall Bank for Cash Management globally was Citi. And here's a quick overview of the oil, precious metals and currency markets.